In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Shopify plan. We'll walk through the process together from inside your Shopify admin, so by the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what each part of the page means. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify store and you're on your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see things like your orders, products, and any suggestions from Shopify. Once you're there, look towards the bottom left-hand corner of the screen for the navigation menu. You'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. The Settings area is where you manage all the behind-the-scenes details of your store, like payments, shipping, and of course, your subscription plan. On the Settings page, look for the option labeled Plan. It may be near the top or in a section related to billing or account, depending on your layout. Click on Plan to open your current subscription details. On the plan page, you'll see information about your existing plan or trial, along with your billing cycle and other account details. What we want to do here is change or upgrade your plan. To do that, look for a button that says Change Plan. Click on Change Plan to move to the next step. This will take you to the Pick Your Plan page. Here, Shopify presents the different subscription tiers you can choose from. Typically, you'll see options like Basic, Grow, Advanced, and Plus. Each plan will show you its price, whether that's monthly or yearly, and a summary of the main features. Take a moment to compare the plans. Think about things like how many staff accounts you need, what kind of reporting you want, and your current or expected sales volume. If you're just starting out, a lower tier plan is often enough, and you can always upgrade later as your business grows. Once you've decided which plan fits your store best, click on the Select button under that specific plan. After you click Select, you'll be taken to a confirmation screen. Here, you'll see the final pricing, your billing period, and any prorated charges if you're switching from another plan or from a free trial. Review everything carefully, and when you're happy with your choice, click Approve to finalize the transaction. After a moment, your Shopify store will update to the new plan, and you'll be ready to continue.